how to change currency on Kraken. Now, if you're not comfortable with the current currency that you have on Kraken and then you would like to change it to other currency types, it is possible to do that, but Kraken only has a limited number of currencies available within their platform. But either way, to change it, you want to open up the Kraken application and just make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you are signed into your account, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the account icon from the bottom right, under settings, one of the options you'll find there is known as currency. Mine is currently set to USD, which is the most popular one, but you can also select that and you can change to euros, Canadian dollars, pound sterling, Swiss franc, or Australian dollars. So you have USD, euros, CAD, GBP, CHF, and AUD. Based on what you want, you can select that and then successfully change it. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually change the currency. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.